Have you ever noticed how we're constantly shifting around when we sit? Leaning forward, slouching, crossing our legs, trying to get comfortable, but somehow making things worse. If you sit for hours every day, over time, your lower back can start to ache. Also, when typing for long periods, your wrists may get sore and stiff. If you've tried all kinds of chairs and they've either had no support or maybe just didn't feel right, then the Hbada E3 ergonomic chair is clean, modern, and super ergonomic, and honestly, it may surprise you. What makes the Hbada E3 different? Dynamic lumbar support that actually moves with you. The first thing that may catch your eye is the T-shaped lumbar support with two side wings. You've probably never seen anything like it before. When you sit down, you realize these wings actually adjust and follow your lower back. So no matter how you move, the support is always there. And it's fully adjustable. 2.5 centimeters forward and backward, 7.5 centimeters up and down, so it fits different heights. 150 centimeters up to 190 centimeters. Has a 14-degree tilt and 40-degree rotation, so instead of a stiff, fixed support, it moves with your body. If you sit for long work sessions, your back pain may actually improve. Plus, this lumbar design is something you won't find in most chairs. This is Hbada's own innovation, and you'd be hard-pressed to find it anywhere else. The second thing is their 6D armrest. More adjustability than you'd expect. Height, adjustable up to 80 millimeters. Moves forward and backwards 30 millimeters, rotates left and right 70 degrees, and flips up 38 degrees. Whether you're typing, scrolling on your phone, or just leaning back, you can adjust the armrest to keep your elbows and wrists relaxed. They even tilt with the backrest, so your arms stay supported even when you recline. There's literally comfort in every detail. The seat depth adjustment of 5 centimeters because one size does not fit all. The breathable mesh fabric keeps you cool and sweat-free even in the summer. A 140-degree reclining with gravity tilt, great for quick breaks or watching videos. Silent wheels and an aluminum alloy base that's smooth, sturdy, and built to last. There's also a wide and adjustable neck pillow, which equals no more stiff necks. The extra wide headrest supports your neck whether you're sitting upright or reclining. 6 centimeter height adjustment, 45-degree rotation, and 5 centimeter movement forward and backward. So you can always find the right fit. Basically, no matter how you sit, your neck gets support. So after using this chair for a while, you should confidently see a huge upgrade. So if you sit for long hours, this chair is worth checking out. There's a link in the description. Go take a look. Check out their website and Amazon store. Not only do they provide free shipping and a 3-year warranty, but you'll find some discounts you wouldn't want to miss.